we must awaken to sacredness towards Mother Earth and move away from exploitation. So what does it mean not to exploit? Not to exploit is to take with a deep sense of respect. It is to make loving efforts to replenish that from which we have taken. That is the meaning of love. And this applies anywhere. Even when we take love and support from each other, it applies. Mother Earth is a living consciousness. And here at Ekam, we see it more evidently than ever. The lands and hills near Ekam have been bald, have been dry for many, many years. But ever since the profound awakening processes over here at Ekam, weather patterns have changed dramatically. Mother Earth has been very kind. She has been benevolent. Rains have wetted the earth, filled the lakes, greened the hills. So many birds and animals have been coming to the hills that never did earlier. Mother Earth responds to our peace and to our violence.